Take a look at this 1934 Ford. It is so chromed up. Got a Greyhound hood ornament. Those headlights and horn. Ooh, man, look at that combination. Spoke, wheels, clean running boards. Even got a little light up here. Goodness gracious. I mean, it is just looking super clean in there. 4 doors. Let's take a look around the back. Man, look at that spare tire holder. Back bumper. Tail lights. That back glass. Even spoked wheels on the spare tire. That's just amazing. Wow. What a vehicle. It's even, I can see through the grill. It's even got chrome valve covers in there. Yeah, it's just amazing. What an amazing vehicle.